Hello, I'm Ian Arbuckle and I'm the Chief Executive Officer at LINIAN, and I'm here today just to talk you through some of the product ranges that LINIAN offer and the applications for those product ranges. So LINIAN started off with the LINIAN Fire Clip. It was the red clip that you see here, and that was intended to fix soft skin cables such as this. Now you can see it here in trunking, but it's also used for surface fixing single and double cables. Not just red ones either for fire alarms or white ones for emergency lighting. We also offer them in black for fixing telecoms cables and other sort of communications and power cables. After the Fire Clip range, we've got the Super Clip range. Now these are basically what they say on the tin. They're super versions of our Fire Clip. They are intended to fix larger cables from 12 up to 25 millimeters, but they also fix conduits, flexible conduits, metallic conduits, and SWA cables and bunches of cables as well. Now these clips are proving very popular, particularly this one, the 12 to 14 one, with the EV installers. After that we've got our twin and earth range. Now, twin and earth range can be shown here. It is made to fit the exact size of twin and earth cable, so it's a really sleek finish. Of course it's 18th edition rated and designed to be drilled into wood. Following on from that, we've got our newest range of products, this tiny little one in the middle, the Nano Clip. Now this is proving popular in the fibre market, and it's actually intended to fix small diameter fibre cables and be a discreet fixing, so you don't even see it when it's installed in your home. So there you go, that's a quick overview of the LINIAN ranges. Leave a comment or get in touch with us for more information.